Hello. In this video I will show you how to play music on your phone using Termux. First you need to update and upgrade repositories as always before installing something new on Termux. Using package update and package upgrade commands. Now let's install Play Audio via command package install Play Audio. After we install Play Audio we go to directory where is music. Via pwd, cd, and ls commands. When we are in music directory we type Play Audio preceding with song name and press enter to play. That's it, now you can play music files direct in Termux. One last note, if you want to exit Play Audio while it play you can do that using Ctrl and C command on your keyboard. Thank you for watching. Visit our site uptech.cf for more interesting tips and tech toping.